Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So it's really dark out. I'm sorry, it's a cloudy day. Winter's terrible here. It's only 2 p.m. and it's like nasty, super nasty out. But today's video, we are actually doing, oh, my earring's all messed up. Oh, I got it. I fixed it. It was probably like that in the very end, so sorry about that. So today we are going over some single shadows from a brand that I have not tried yet on here, is Tracys Powder Room. Now she did send me all of these to do some swatches for and to review for you guys. So I did do product shots and swatches for them, but I am doing swatches on my eyes later on in the video right before this look. So if you guys are interested in seeing all these colors like on my actual eyeballs, I do that. But let me just go over these real quick. She didn't send me any mattes, they're all shimmers. So I had to bring in another palette for the mattes. I went in with Good Sport from ColourPop for this look, and I forgot how beautiful and richly pigmented ColourPop's mattes were. Ooh, I really like this look. But these are handmade shadows. Oh, and I was sent these in PR, so thank you so much, Tracy, for sending these to me. So she does hand make all of her products, and these were all very soft, romantic. By the way, my nails are coming off. Sorry. It's a process, and I'm sorry. They look terrible. But the shades that she sent me were these 7, and then she sent me 2 highlighters. I am wearing 6 out of 7 of the eyeshadows, and I am wearing both highlighters today. If you guys want to see this look, it is right after these swatches on my eyeballs. But let me go over all of these. As you can tell, I've had these for a while, and I have really dug into Poppy Pink. It is such a beautiful shade. Look at that dent. Oh man, I'm so proud of myself. So this is Poppy Pink. It is a really pretty shimmery pink. This is a beautiful color. This is Lost Lavender. This one is a very kind of misty gray lavender color. It is so beautiful. This one is Rosé. It is a very, very light pink. It's on my inner corner here so you guys can see the color. And on my brow bone. Oh man, when I put this on my brow bone, I was like, what? Okay. And then this color is beautiful. This is Honey Jack, and this is a really nice, warm, kind of shimmery coppery color, but it's lighter than a copper. It's more like a gold copper. This one is Vintage Peach. It is like a peachy pink, and it is super, super shimmery. I try all these on my eyes, and by the way, I'm not wearing any makeup except eyebrows when I do these swatches, so don't judge me. This one is Champagne. It is a very beautiful light champagne color, and I am wearing that one on the inner part of this cut crease here. And then this one is a very interesting color. This is almost, oh, this is Foxy Lady, sorry. This is almost like a green brown. It's a very grungy color. It's like it has weathered patina to it. Like it's really beautiful. It's a very interesting color. I highly doubt that you guys will be able to find a color like this in your collection. I think actually Nomad Cosmetics has a similar color in their Berlin palette, which is a very rich, grungy kind of palette. But this is a very unique shade. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And then the 2 highlighters, this one is When in Rome. This is definitely way too gold for me. I know it looks really white in the pan, but when you put it on your finger, like, look, it is pure gold. It's a little bit too dark for me, but this will be perfect for a brow bone or an inner corner color. And this one is Baby Girl, which is a beautiful pink, and it's perfect for fair, light skin tones. And both the highlights were absolutely stunning. Like, they don't show my texture. I do have like some little pimples currently right here on my cheek, and it doesn't super highlight those, so that's always nice. But all of these range from $6 to $10 depending on which finish you get, you know, if you get a highlighter or a shadow. So that is it on Tracys Powder Room. I will have her Instagram below, and I will have the prices for for each of these shadows below so you guys can see those. And check her out on Instagram. If you guys would like to see these swatches on my eyes and also a quick look, this look right here, using these shadows, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have finished the look. It is really pretty. It's very soft and romantic. It is so dark outside right now. It's only 2 p.m. and it's like black. So this is a terrible way to show off the highlights, but I'm going to go in with the gold one first, and then I'm going to hit the high points with Baby Girl, just because on my finger this gold is like really gold and this pink is a lot brighter. So that will be like the pop highlight. So my bigger, fluffier brush is going to be the base gold one. That is not my color highlight at all. It is more for like medium to deep skin tones, but it's a very beautiful color, and this will look really beautiful on my inner corner or to highlight my brow bone with. But yes, that is definitely gold. Alright, now I'm going in with a much smaller brush, and I'm going to do the super high points of my cheek and my nose and chin and all the rest of the other brighter spots, like this area, the T triangle, whatever, that area. Oh, actually maybe this lighting is good for highlight, because I can see it a lot better than if it was super sunny out. It definitely is a pink highlight though. If you guys are fair-skinned or light, I think this will look absolutely beautiful on you. Alright, that is the look, you guys. I think, other than the shades being slightly textured when they were dry, they performed beautifully. The shimmer is beautiful. They were easy to blend. They were easy to put on. They didn't like buff away when you tried to put more on top. So yeah, they're beautiful colors. All of the ones that I used blended really beautifully together from like light to dark. I did end up using 6 out of the 7 shades. The only one I didn't use was Foxy Lady. So I used almost all the colors, and I love this look. It's very pretty. For extra things that I used, I went in with Volume, just right up here on the crease. It's from Urban Decay. For blush, I went in with Hourglass in Mood Exposure. It's kind of this really beautiful berry mauve toned blush. And then for lips, I went in with JJ Cosmetics in the shade Fallen For You. And this lip line is absolutely horrendous. Don't judge me. But that is all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!